Hello friends, welcome to the Power Pages training session. We will cover all the Power Pages technical and functional requirements training in this demo session, and I will explain you how to work on the Power Pages and how we can choose the our proper way. So first of all, start from the basic introduction. Let's start the introduction. So a Power Pages training basic introduction. So the Power Pages portal is a comprehensive platform designed to provide a user with the access to a vast array of resource, information and tool related the power system. So mainly Power Pages is a one kind of a website, and we can choose any template or any particular blank template, and we can create the website by using the Power Pages. And there are some basic templates or the basic functionalities we can achieve, or if we want to go with the high level of configuration, then we have a code language with the JavaScript and liquid code. So there are a second point is it serve as a centralized hub for the professional student, and in this field article, tutorial, case study, forms for the discussion. So in this training session we can cover how to use the fields, tables, and what kind of business scenarios we can achieve, and how we will use the main security, basic security, and we can create the templates, and another is we can create the list. So all the requirements we can achieve based on the Power Pages. Form renewable energy solution to the grid optimization. So here is the grid optimization like the Dynamics 365. So grid means in this Power Pages platform we have a list, so where we can create the CRUD operation, like the create, update, delete, all the like functionalities. So user can the leverage the platform to stay updated on the industry trends, like the if any particular organization and there are multiple employees, and we want to cover the all the basic functionality, and we want to cover the security, like the one particular user has a only can show the one page, and another user can see only the two page. So we can do the anything, and we can set up the functionality by using the security roles and templates. So we can cover all the like the Power Pages functionalities, and what is the Power Pages basic trainings, and what is the advanced training. So first of all, start with the basic introduction of the Power Pages. So first point is the Power Platform and Power Pages magic. Means how we can do the anything, how we can achieve the requirement. So all the like the training we can cover into the this demo. And world of the secure website building, like the how to secure the website, like no one can hack our website, and how can provide the security roles, security systems. So all we can cover, and into the low code no code development, like the low code no code means if any another website we are using, so we need to provide the all the codes, and we need to create the like the high level of code. But in this Power Pages we can create only the simple level of code, and main functionality simple or basic functionality we can achieve by using drag and drop, and only the simple way. But if we want to go the advanced, then we need to create the code, otherwise it can work on the low code no code solution. And another is the design studio. So we can create the designing by using the OOB, means Microsoft out of the box functionality, so we can achieve it. And there are a workspace wonderland and a pre-built template and component, means we have a multiple templates by default created, like the education, industries, permits, portals, something, all the kind of functionalities or by default created. But if we want to set up the as per the our requirement, so we just need to change this only the our designing, because all the designing is created by Microsoft. So we can save our time in the building the website and home pages, all the kind of scenarios. And the third one is the security deep dive. So there are a authentication, there are a web roles, permissions, security data visibility with the liquid code and fetch XML. So liquid code and fetch XML is used to retrieve the data, and we can create the code. And liquid code is the most secure code into the Power Pages, and I think it can work into the Spotify also. So there are some training related topics, so what and how we can cover in our training. So there are some points. So first is introduction to the Power Apps portal. So what is the Power Apps portal, how we can create the Power Apps portal, what is the Power Apps Studio. So second is the Power Apps Studio. So what is the Power App Studios, there are many functionalities, so how we can learn it, how we can do it something. There are some authentication, entity forms list, there are a web template and liquid code. And sixth part is the integration with the Power Platform. So there are one dataverse is a database, so we can how to integrate the dataverse into the Power Pages. We can also create the custom JavaScript and CSS. There are a multiple if we are getting the some troubleshooting and debugging, so we can also achieve into this Power Pages. And last one is the security, the security best practices, means how to handle the security and what is the best practice, so we can provide the 100% security to our Power Pages. And this is the enough for the learning. And now we can go with the practical example, so you can get the better idea how to create the website, what kind of CRUD operation we can achieve, what kind of scenarios we can take into this Power Pages. So now we are in the Power Apps platform account. And if we want to create the Power Pages website, so we need a make.powerapps.com account. So you can create with the 30-day trial, or if you want to purchase the account, then you can also do the purchase. So there are one option of a Power Platform. So in click of the Power Platform, you can see the Power Pages. So on click of the Power Pages, there are there will show the one UI to welcome to the our here will show the our main organization name, welcome to the our this organization. There are some multiple options like templates, learn. So template mean Microsoft has created the multiple template by default, so we can use like there are some application processing, FAQ, program registration, and there are multiple templates. So we can take the templates from here, or no need to create the from the fully blank site. If we can create the if we are going to create the templates, so it can take around 30 40 30 40 or 50, or if we are get over here we are getting the templates by default, so we can save our 50 or by default into the this Power Pages website. So we can take the template from the here, and there are some learning path also is there, and all the tutorials is available. Tutorial is for the learning, or there are many like the AI builder, co-pilot. So we can also use the AI builder to get the data by using the PDF document processing. There are security sessions some over here, but it's only the like the 1 minute or 2 minute around videos, so we can get the only the information, not learn from the here. So if you want to the learn, so join the our team to learn all the power pages for now. And there are some solutions also. So solutions is for the if you can see into the make.powerapps.com account, so there are the same solution over here. uh, Suppose if we are creating the new site, so some kind of solution can create automatically by default, like the building permit, program registration, or like the book or meeting. So all required solution can create automatically by creating the website. So we can go with the home, and I can show you what kind of and how you can create the website from here. So here is the two way: start with the blank or start with the template. Start with the template and start from the blank. So start with the template means here you can see the template, so all the templates is there, and you can choose the anyone. Like here is the giving the some points, like the it's for the education, it's for the government, like the cross industry something. So all the template is there, so you can take the any as per your. Suppose I want to create the one a website for the educational, so you need to choose the educational template, so you can get the all the educational details into the website. So if you will click on the start from the blank, so you can create the website, and after just you need to provide the name of your website. Like the I have provided the testing, so you can create the website using any name. And after creating the site, here will show the all the site. Like I have created the two site over here, like the testing and building permit. So both site is showing over here. Now here is the edit button. On click of the edit button, you can see the UI looking like. So here is the showing the home page, pages, contact us. So it some kind of pages created by default, and all is the coming from the template. And access denied page, there are other pages: access denied, pages not found, default offline page. So this is the some kind of scenario can handle, like the if you are in internet activity is not working, or if any page is not found, or something, some kind of scenario can handle these other pages. And there are one home pages. So we have a benefit of a low code no code. I can show you one the example. Like if you will click on the add a section, there are already showing some default, like one column section, two column section, one third right. If you want to add the space, so if you want to get the one section, so in this section what kind of requirement do you want to add? So I want to add what kind of component you want to use. So I want like the text. And if you want to add the one button, so you can also choose the button. What will be the button name? On click of the button, what will happen? So all the like the OOB way we can use it. And there are some styling components. So styling component is also we can use by using the only the click. And it's a simple functionality. So if we want to the use the some designing area, so we can also cover, and we can provide the video of the YouTube or something. If we have a database of the dataverse, so we can choose the data from the dataverse, and we can take the all the details from the dataverse. and the setup is the main part of the power pages, because setup is providing the security power pages backend details, like what is the name, what is the URL, what kind of languages we can use, what is the permissions, site visibility, who can see the site. So we need to enhance the site or something. All the details are available into the site data site setup. And there are one also identity provider to create the authentication. So like the if you can go with the any new website, and there are we can see one options like to click on the Google or email, so we can log in by using the our email ID automatically. So same kind of requirement we can achieve by using the identity provider. We can authenticate with the LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Microsoft account. And if we have any third party account, so we can also create the new identity provider, and we can set up the authentication. So all we can achieve it. And there are some another like the chatbot. We can use cloud flows like the automation process. If we want to create like the daily one can get the mail from the power pages, so we can also achieve from the automation processes for the cloud flow. And there are external apps like the electric signature or something. And we can also set up the Stripe is for the digital payment system. We can also provide the over here. And e-signature is there are some installed app, so we can also achieve from the our requirement into this power pages. So I can show you the one like the CRUD operation, so you can get the better idea of the CRUD operation. So what you suppose if we suppose this is the my site live URL, and I have created the one page customer complaint. So on this customer complaint page we have created the one list. So list you can uh, create from the if you will go over here, and you can see the power pages management. So management is the part of a manage the power pages website. If you will go with the power pages management, then you can check with the list. So list means it can get the data from the any particular database, and all the data can we can see here over here. So if you want to the create the new registration, so you need to create the some basic forms. So what is the basic forms, and how we can create the basic forms. The this basic form is for the create customer complaint, and the another another we have a basic form is for the update the customer complaint. So all kind of basic forms we can create. And there are some web files. Multi-step form is like there are some 5 steps in the one page. So after completed the one step, we can go with the second page, and after go to the second page, or we can achieve the we can fill the all the details into the our fields, and we can go with the next. Then we can choose our like the process of 1 to 5 step process. So we can also achieve from the multi-step forms, web pages, web template. We can in the web template we can create the liquid code. So liquid code is showing look like if this ad name equal to this, or if this not equal to null, then what kind of variable should set, what is the like the HTML we can do over here. So all the like the functionalities, or all the codes, or all the requirements you can achieve using the web template. So web template is mainly for the designing the pages from, you can see over here the page. So it's we can create from the web template also. And there are a contact detail. So contact is for the login contact with our this website. So all the details we can track into the contact. And there are a table security for the we can set up the table security, like who can see the table, anyone can create, update, delete the tables for the table security. And there are a multiple like the components is available. So all component you can learn by using our uh, uh, our in this training, or if you want to learn also, so you can also learn from here, but you can not learn from the proper way, and we can provide the proper details, and we can teach you the how to you how we can use the templates like column security, context, invitations. So all will cover into our training session. So I can give you the one demo like the CRUD operation. So what kind of CRUD operation we can achieve it. So on click of the customer complaint, I have configured the one table, or table name is the customer complaint. So there are a one button, register a new complaint. On click of the button, I want to register a one complaint. So if I am registering, so I need to provide the name of a so we can also use the fields over here. And what is the subject? So subject is iPhone issue, and I want to select the date, start date of a issue. So it's a 2, or a warranty details. So no warranty was available for our iPhone. And description, so description, I don't want to provide the description area anything. So then if you will click on the submit button, so it will create the complaint into our database, and you can also check from over here. So there are one complaint is registered, and its created date is a 12th Feb, and with the time also. And there are some status like the active, inactive, or if on click of the button, so you can, if you some kind of like you want to change the subject, so you can also change the subject from here, like if iPhone issue, but I want to provide the name iPhone 13 Pro. So what which iPhone issues we are getting, so we can, if I want to update the record, then I will submit this one. So it will updated by default using the OOB functionality. If you can, if you are going with the code to create this kind of CRUD operation, it can take around 100 hours. But in this scenarios, we I have achieved this functionality only in 1 hour. So you can imagine that what and how we can save our time into the power pages. So it's for that reason we can say like the no code low code solution is provided by the Microsoft. So it's a low code no code solution, and we, there are one simple button we need to just add into the delete. So if you will click on the delete, then there will show the one pop-up, are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes, I want to delete this record. Then it will be deleted, and here will show the message the record has been deleted. So this kind of CRUD operation we can do into the our power pages. And you will learn the all the like functionalities with the main part is the like the security. So security is for the web. And what kind of web roles? So there are a multiple web roles, like the administrator is for the admin user, anonymous is for the like the anonymous user, like we don't know where from where the user is coming, this is for the anonymous user. And authenticated user means any particular user is logged in with our system, so this is the authenticated user. So we can also create our web role. And we can also create this column security. If you want to give the column security, like this field can show only this person, and this field should not show only for 2 or 3%. So it can provided by the column security. Table permission is for like the if customer complaint table I am taking, so I can provide the access like the global access, contact level, account level. So you can learn, you will learn from our training, or read, create, append to what. So you will learn all the component, like what kind of privilege we can provide to the our contact. And we can also provide the secure web roles to the this table, because web role is important, but like the authenticated user can only create or update, delete something, CRUD operation should do. So all the basics and basics to intermediate advanced, or so you can learn from the our training of power pages. So we are going to the end this session, and I hope this demo is useful for you. And if you will join our training, so you will get the good like open knowledge of a power pages management and power pages website also. So thank you for the your support, and I hope you can join, and you can also contact to our team to learn the power pages and power apps also. Okay, thank you.